Hello guys and welcome to another video of Techies Guru. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to delete your 24-hour fitness account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and on the search box that appears on the top of your screen, you're going to type 24-hour fitness. Or you can simply type out this URL, which is www.24hourfitness.com. It will lead you to the same page. Now, the home page for 24-hour fitness will look something like this. To delete your 24-hour fitness account, the first way requires you logging into your account. So basically for that, you're going to the login section, you're going to enter your username, and then you're going to enter your password. So you've entered your password, you simply click on the login button. Now listen to these instructions very carefully because this is going to be a step-by-step instruction. After you've logged into your 24-hour fitness account, you're going to go ahead and visit the My Account tab. Click on Manage Membership link, scroll down, and then you'll see a Cancel Membership section. You go ahead and tap on the button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. However, there's another way you can delete your account, which is through call. So you basically contact 24-hour fitness to delete your account. You go ahead, scroll down, and then you can see a Contact Us section. You click on it, which will redirect you to this page. You can simply go ahead and click on this link and then call 24-hour fitness customer service, letting them know that you'd like to delete the 24-hour fitness account, and this will approximately take about 30 days for your account to be fully closed, and then your 24-hour fitness account will be finally deleted. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, still let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.